So this happens when someone gets drunk, I guess, or something. I don't know.
This is a safe way. Ready? 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 Wait, okay, ready? Ready? Ow! That's the fucking Twitter and the fucking that fucking stabbed me. Alright, ready? Here we go. Ready?
Give me the video real quick.
Ready?
Alright, you
Move! Back up, back up, back up.
Just
in case it decides to swing, we'll fucking hit him in the face with it. One.
No, you're not gonna hit me in the face.
Oh, ready? 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 Look at me again. Ready? One. Don't hold my hand.
If you do it,
I'm not. I'm gonna hit you right there. Right there? Right there. Okay, ready? One. Move your hand. Dude, you can staple your hand to your freaking leg. Move your hand. Don't. Alright, ready? One. Wait. No.
It's already a minute. Do it already.
One. Just do it quick. Do it quick. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. By the way. One. Get your go. Get your arm. Ready? I did it.
Oh my god.
Alright. Yeah, I can't. I would have fucked up if you hold my arm. Right there. Okay? Do it. Go. Ready? Go. It didn't even go in. Did it hurt? Make me though. Look at that, dude.